Darling, let's get one thing straight. If you've been told that your only option is to surrender to synthetic hormones or suffer through the change, like it's a punishment, you've been sold a broken system. Enter Peptide Queen Protocols, a new class of tools designed not to override your biology, but to literally communicate the right instructions to your body so it begins to repair, rebalance, and reawaken. Let's walk through the difference between HRT and peptides and why more sovereign women are turning to peptides to regain power over their hormones, metabolism, and glow. So, what is HRT? HRT, or hormone replacement therapy, is like giving your body a script. You're not producing enough estrogen, progesterone, or testosterone, so here it is, externally. It's effective, but it's also blunt. It can come with some risks and the feeling that you're now at the mercy of a prescription. Still, for many women, especially with complete ovarian shutdown or surgical menopause, it's a game changer. But what if you're not fully depleted, just disrupted? What if your body isn't broken, but waiting for the right cue? Enter the Queen's alternative, peptide stacking. Peptides are biohacked messengers, small amino acid chains that tell your body what to do instead of replacing what it's missing. This is a strategy-first, elegance-always approach to hormone optimization. Instead of force-feeding the body with hormones, you invite it to wake up, recalibrate, and respond. First in my personal royal stack are peptides that support hormone function. CJC 1295 plus Ipamorelin stimulates natural growth hormone release. Think leaner muscle, better sleep, collagen support. Kisspeptin 10 or Gonadorelin signals the hypothalamus to restore your natural sex hormone rhythm, helpful for restarting ovulation, libido, or mood. Next is BPC 157. The Queen's go-to for gut healing and reducing systemic inflammation, because hormones can't thrive in chaos. Can peptides replace HRT? Yes and no. Here's the crown truth. In mild cases or early perimenopause, peptides may completely replace the need for HRT. They can lower the required HRT dose, giving you more control and fewer risks. For severe deficiencies, they work beautifully alongside HRT, amplifying your results without increasing your risks. You're not choosing one path or another. You're crafting your own sovereign protocol. Benefits of peptide stacking over HRT supports natural hormone signaling instead of overriding it, lower risk of hormone dominance or suppression, often better tolerated with fewer side effects, may improve libido, recovery, mood, tone, sleep, empowers you to titrate, cycle, and customize based on how you feel, not a lab range, which is great. Here are the limitations, because queens don't hide the truth. Peptides take time. Results may take weeks, not days. Not always effective for women in deep menopause or surgical menopause. Injections or cycling can feel complex without proper guidance, can be more expensive out of pocket, but often more personalized and precise. Here is the Peptide Queens community, the Sovereign Circle. Findings: younger women or mild cases. Start with peptides first. If you are already on HRT, peptides can make it more effective while reducing your dosage. If you are advanced or in surgical menopause, many considered a combination of low-dose HRT plus peptide support. Always work with a clinician who understands both functional and regenerative therapies, not just what's covered by insurance. My final thought: your body is not failing you. It's begging you if you will listen. And peptides help you listen, respond, and lead with grace, strategy, and strength. Whether you go fully sovereign with peptides or choose a hybrid path, remember, you are not meant to decline. You are meant to reign.